What's good, what's cracking, what's popping off, what's happening? It's your boy. We're going to keep it a thou wow on this news powwow. Let's get it popping. So Goldman Sachs took a look at the yen and said, fuck it, let it bleed. They jacked their target to 165 yen per US dollar, the weakest shit since 1986, my guy. America strutting around with high ass rates like we some type of, I don't know, all global sugar daddy, while the Japanese are sitting there with zero rates like some broke ass landlord standing around just watching their tenants die. And guess what? 45% of Japanese companies already went tits up in the first half of the year, crushed by the weak yen bullshit. Small businesses are getting absolutely railed. Now, later on today's chaos, stocks dipped, but not even a full percent. But the risky stuff got absolutely demolished. Gold, silver, crypto, all got hit way harder than the market itself. Why, you ask? Trump restarted bombing runs over Iran. They hit over 80 targets after Iran started firing again on tankers in the Strait of Hormuz. Oil prices spiked nearly 5%. Inflation fears are starting to roar back, and the 10-year Treasury yields jumped 4.5%. Then we had investors ditch bonds and pile into dollars. The dollar shot from 97.61 to 101.16. The stronger dollar crushed commodities and crypto in a classic risk-off fashion. But this is the part where things get funny. So at the NATO summit, Donald Trump went straight up Dr. Evil on Scott Bessent. Scott, what's going on with this whole Spain thing? What's happening? They're supposed to be paying 5%. They're only paying 2%. That's a 3% short. What's going on, Scott? Sir, we've got to, Scott, zip it. We simply must get our 3% so it equals 5%, sir. I understand. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna do, Scott, zip it. Cancel the trade, or else we're gonna go full nuclear option. That's the only thing that actually makes sense. Sir, we can't go the full nuclear option because nuclear is gonna wipe out everything. Scott, listen to me. Are we or are we not United States Evil Incorporated? Sir, we're so evil that the evilness flows through it. Scott, are we or are we not the subsidiary of Dr. Smirt's Evil Incorporated? Yes, Dr. Smirt's, we're Visa, we're everywhere you want to be. Scott, zip it. Go ahead and cancel it. I'm done. Yeah, that's right. So Trump straight up ordered Secretary Scott Bessent to cut off all trade with Spain, calling them terrible partners, hopeless, and bad people. Why? Spain only paid 2% of the defense spending instead of the 5% demanded, and they would not let the U.S. use their bases or airspace in order to invade Iran. But Spain kept it a thou wow during that powwow, brushing it off as business as usual. They run a trade deficit with them anyway, and the EU rules make singling out one country kind of messy. This is also the second time that he's made this particular threat. The first time he made it was back in March. Nothing has actually happened just yet though, and BlackRock is still all in on Spain, so that's that. Moving on. Some clowns are out here saying do not worry about the yen carry unwind and that is already priced in to the stocks and crypto as we know it. But it's bullshit. The dollar's climbed so fucking high that everyone's still slurping cheap yen money into US assets like it's some type of free crack. When Japan finally snaps and hikes rates, that cheap funding vanishes. All the borrowed yen gets yanked home, stocks will end up getting reamed, crypto prices will fucking tank hard as shit, especially because these particular assets are so leveraged when it comes to futures and margin. But here's the wild twist. That crypto crash might actually be Japan's saving grace. These cats are going all in on crypto in 2026. They're slashing taxes, integrating it with stocks and exchange, calling it their digital year. They might let the old system burn just enough to bring cryptocurrency as the new national and international form of trade, resetting the whole damn game. This clown show between the US and Japan, and now NATO and its allies, can't last forever. When it breaks, it's going to be messy as hell. Anyway, let me know what y'all think. I'm out. Deuces.